2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool, easy strumming for Killers. Mr. Brightside. Okay, so I'm not going to go over that lick. That's really hard. I'm just going to do the basic acoustic chord strumming. So I'm in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the song, with the record, you got to put a capo on first fret, okay? And play the same thing I'm showing you. Alright, so we got 3 parts. We got the intro, C major. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Make a C major a B over C. So from C here, you just take your 3rd finger off and put 2nd finger on the A string 2nd fret and keep your 1st guy here. To an F major. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the verses. Chorus, we got A minor. 1, 2, 3. G major. 1, 2, 3. F. Again, back to A minor. Big chorus is C major, F major, A minor to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down, down. Verse. C major, B over C, F major. Pre-chorus A minor, G major. Do that again. One, 2, 3, chorus C major to F and A minor to G. C major to F, A minor to G. Super easy, right? So just keep that Alright, so let's review everything before we end the lesson. Intro over that melody, and also same as verses. C major, B over C, and F major. Pre-chorus, A minor, G, F major. Chorus, C major, F major, A minor, G. And that's all, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take care.